Hi there, today we're going to learn how to add a button on your Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website and I want to add a button right here on the very bottom of the page. In order to do that, we can just click on add elements. We can click on the button option right here and then we can have different options for our button. If you want to scroll down and find your specific button, you can do so. But for this video, we'll choose this button right here and drag and drop this onto our website. And then once we have our button, we can change the design of it if you want. Just click on this design icon and then click on customize design. And you can change the background if you want. You can change the opacity. You can change the font style. If you want to change it, this one, you can change the font size as well, and so on and so forth. So it just depends on your preference on what you want your button to look like. And then if you want to change the title of our button, so just double click this button right here and then this pop-up window will open. And then we can just type in our title of our button. And then if you want to connect your email address, you could just go here. But another option as well, if you want it this way, you can just click on the link icon right here and then you will just arrive at the same pop-up window. And then we will need to click the email option and then add an email address for it to connect to, and then an email subject, and then just click on done when you're done inputting the information. Then once you're done, we have now connected our button to an email address. If you want to edit this a little further, you can do so as well. Just explore the different features that Wix has. So if you want to preview this on our website, you can just click on preview. And then now we have our button right here. But we cannot test this out since it will only work on your published website. So you can do that once you're finished editing your website. You can click on publish, and then once you click on this button, it will automatically connect to an email. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add your button and connect it to an email address. And thank you for watching this video.